So I got all the dimensions, I did a plan out, and then I went to Home Depot and bought some maple. I bought a whole board. Fortunately it's $40, but it's really hard. Hard to the point where my chop saw can't even cut through it correctly. I mean, look at how nasty that looks. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, so I'm going to have to borrow my brother-in-law's DeWalt to cut that until I get a new one. So what I did is I bought this. I cut them in 25-inch long pieces, and then so this is 25 inches here. I only need 24, but that's so I can cut off the ends as needed. I then ran this through the planer. Here's some video of me running it through the planer. The planer's not having a bad time with it. It's able to get through it, and it's nice and smooth. And then coming back to here, what I did is I got two of these, and then I put them together, and I got one of these. So this gets the thickness close to this, and I'll plane this down and then join it so the ends get nice in the edge, and then I'll go and use a chop saw. And then after that, I'll go and do the holes here for the circles. With that, I'm going to end this episode, and we'll see you guys later, okay? Handy Andy, over and out.